Just the other night, my boyfriend's mom approached me and told me that she always knows when I've been over her house because she always finds a Coca-Cola can in the garbage instead of the recycling bin. She then asked me, "Well, don't you recycle at home?" And I told her no. The face that she gave me made me feel both bad and embarrassed. It motivated me to purchase a recycling bin. Did you know that on average, each one of us produces 4.4 pounds of solid waste per day, equaling almost a ton of trash per person per year? That's a bunch of garbage. Don't you ever wonder where all that goes? According to United States recycling statistics, we have vastly improved in recycling since we first opened doors to the recycling center in 1896. But we still have a long way to go before we perfect the recycling stride. And that starts with every single one of us purchasing a recycling bin. We'd be contributing to the movement to make a difference. Recycling not only benefits ourselves, but also the economy and the environment. Did you know that a typical family consumes 182 gallons of soda per year, 29 gallons of juice, 104 gallons of milk, and 26 gallons of bottled water per year? And I'm pretty sure that your family doesn't recycle nearly half of those bottles, or even any of them. If you don't think that recycling is taking a toll on our environment, just take a look at Ohio, for example. It's changing the face of the earth as we speak. Their highest point is now Mount Rump, which is a trash fill, which is over 1,000 feet tall. Isn't that gross? If you're not sure that you have enough at your house to recycle, just take a look at this recycling quick list. You can recycle aluminum cans, plastic bottles, glass bottles, newspaper, old school papers. I mean, you could take a look around your house and I'm sure you'll find over 100 things that can be reused again. As stewards of our environment, we are responsible for preserving and protecting our natural resources, not only for ourselves, but for our future generations. More trash is generated now than ever before. And where do you think all this trash goes to? Landfills like Mount Trashmore. Have you ever passed by that place? I mean, it stinks. Literally. The smell is stuck in your car for over 5 minutes. As this waste stream continues to grow, so will the pressures on our landfill, our natural resources, and our environment. The more we recycle, the less garbage will end up in landfills and incineration plants. It'll also reduce the amount of pollution that's going into the air by manufacturing virgin products. By recycling, you're doing your part in using the product to its fullest potential. What's the solution to all these trash problems we're having? Simply purchasing a recycling bin. This mega bin is a perfect one. It's at the low price of $69. It can hold up to 55 gallons of recyclables. You can purchase this at www.recyclingbin.com. Here's the bottom line. By purchasing one of these recycling bins, you're not only helping yourself, but like I said before, the economy and the environment. And I'm going to show you just how. Environmental benefits of recycling is that for every ton of paper that you recycle, you're saving 17 trees. That may not seem like a lot, but when you add up everybody that's recycling, you could almost save a forest. It also prevents habitat destruction. How would you like if somebody knocked on your door and told you, "I'm sorry, ma'am, you need to relocate because we need the materials that your house is made of to make other products that most likely is going to end up in a landfill"? I'm sure you wouldn't be so happy. Bottom line, by recycling, you're conserving energy, reducing air pollution and water pollution, you're reducing greenhouse gases, and you're also conserving our natural resources. Here's a fun fact for you. For every glass bottle that's recycled, you can power a light for up to 4 hours. Wouldn't you like to pay your electric bill by giving them a bag of glass bottles? Just give them here. That should cover me for the whole month. It should power my house. That'll be nice, huh? Economic benefits. In these hard times, who wouldn't like to save a penny, or in this case, an aluminum can? The more we recycle, the cheaper it gets. Production costs go down. We'll also see the difference when the item is put on the shelf. It also creates 1.1 million jobs in the United States. For every one job that's created in disposal industries, you're creating 4 jobs in the recycling industry. Isn't that great? I mean, honestly, tell me, is there anything better in the world something that helps the environment, conserves energy, energizes the economy, and makes you money while doing it? Recycling. It's the answer. And if you don't think that you can make a difference, one person can make the difference. Every little bit counts. By purchasing a mega bin for the low price of $69, you're not only saving yourself money, but also the economy tons of money. A lot more than $69, that's for sure. I hope that after listening to my presentation, I encourage you to go out and buy a recycling bin, and by spreading the word of recycling to everybody. Thank you.